Hey ladies, how's it going? Okay, so this video is going to be super duper exciting. So I had gotten this package from DHL today, and I am going to go ahead and open it up. You guys probably already seen from the thumbnail on who's it from. All right, so the package was pretty big. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Let me just show you. I mean, it's big, but you know, it was very well protected when I got it. So let's go ahead and get those scissors and start opening this thing up. Alright, so as you can see, I mean, it has tape all over this box, so it was very well protected. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna just open this up and see what's inside. Alright, let me just fix my light. Alright, so here it is, guys. Alright, so it is the Holo-Flip that holds 40 plates. I am so excited to look at this. Let me get the scissors again and go ahead and open it. Alright, it's finally here. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It looks super duper pretty and very fancy and professional. It's very black matte, and it has the butterfly logo, and that's what it's gonna look like in the back. Okay, this is how it opens, and look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy I picked the blue one. The blue one looks so pretty. Guys, you really need to get this. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, so here it is. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, guys, so pretty. I mean, you can really see the hollow effect on this. I want to say the blue one is a go, but I do like all the other colors, but the blue one is what was calling my name since the beginning, since I've seen it. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm just showing you that it's pretty much etched all around. They look very secure. It has the Lina name, the logo on there, and it is connected with magnets, so it's, you know, once you close it, it's gonna be there. It's very secure, and then you just pop it open like normal, you know. All right, let's look inside now. Okay, so we have the clear sleeves, and then Lina also has the logo on the front backside cover. So pretty, I just love it. And all the clear sheets. I can't remember exactly how many sheets, but well, 20 obviously. Hello. Anyways, so this is what the sheets look. They're not frosty or anything like that. It's practically clear. Alright, so in the middle of all the clear sleeves, we have these little kind of like screws. It's just for pretty much, it holds the whole book together. But it's very snugged in there. I try to pull on it a little bit, I mean, it's tough, it's durable, so we have no problems for it to be falling off. Trying to count the sleeves, just making sure that there were 20 in there. Pretty much, yeah, there were 20. All right, so these pretty much are very durable. Just, just still be careful. It might do a tear or whatnot if you don't like EDK plates. They're very kind of sharp on the corners, so just be careful when you're putting it in so you do not scrape or accidentally tear or anything. Anyway, so this is what the book looks like from, with nothing in it. So I am going to go ahead and put the Lina plates in there so you guys can see on what it's going to look like, kind of half full. So I'll be right back. Right, so here is the book. This is what it looks like with about half of the pages full. So I have the Lina plates, and if you see some dirty ones in there, I do apologize. All right, so I didn't show this to you earlier, but in the middle of one sheet, they have like a little sheet in the middle. So it kind of protects the both plates together so they don't scratch. So, and there is an opening on each side. All right, so I'm putting in one so you guys can see in one sheet on how easy it is to just to put them through. But if they do have a plastic film over them, it's going to be a little tough. Not tough, I'm going to say maybe just a little bit, some pressure to put them in, but they have no problems at all if you don't have the film on them. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the book when it's totally full. So this book is totally full. It has, the Lina and 2 other collections of other plates. All right, so you do see it, that it can still latch, and this is how the book is going to look like with all the plates and the sleeves filled. It's very sturdy, it's quite heavy, so I mean still handled with care, but I really love it. I really love this thing. I totally recommend this. You guys really need this. I love it. And you see, it's not coming out. They're snugged in there. All right, so in conclusion, I really like it. It's sturdy, holds the 40 plates, it closes the 40 plates, has a lot of hollow, and I really think you guys need one of these. So thanks guys for watching, and have a great day. Bye.